Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel Piping Knowledge. Today we are going to discuss about important document for the hot tapping job. First document is the toolbox talks form. Toolbox talk form is the first and basic document. Second one is hot tapping work instruction. What is the instruction of hot tapping work job? Next one is completion plug installation. When you do complete the hot tapping job, that time is the plug installation. That one is the work instruction. Completion plug installation work instruction. Slab valve installation work instruction. Bicep work instruction. Bicep means branch install self energized plug. 30-inch hot tap stack up and the 30-inch bicep stack up document and the 30-inch slab wall GA. That wall is the slab wall GA. Now the hot tapping stack up and 30-inch completion plug stack up document, and the now is the scope of work hot tapping and stopping work. Scope of work of the document, a specification and data sheet for the hot tap fittings. That hot tap fitting specification data sheets and the hot tap feasibility report. And next one is engineering design basis. Now the welding of pipeline related facility and safe hot tapping practice for the petroleum and petrochemical industry. These are the basic document required for the hot tapping job. When you plan for the any hot tapping job, when you visit for any hot tapping job as an engineer, then must read all the document for your proper work instruction. That is the basic document required for the hot tapping job.